Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy Z Fold 6. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I decided to pick up some cases from Samsung. I'm going to do them in two different parts. This one, I picked up the Samsung silicone case in gray for the Z Fold 6. Now, it says silicone case, but it also has a kickstand and a strap to hold the phone in your hand. So, I don't know what you want to call it. It's multitasking there. I don't know, that kind of looks a little ugly, but it is what it is. I wanted to try it out, see how it fits on this phone. You can get it from Samsung's website or Amazon. I'll have the links in the description. But nothing else is in the box. You get this, look, it has a little handle there, but also it has a little kickstand there. Has like the soft material in the back. Then you have the front with the adhesive strips on there. And then you have this whole book here. We don't read the book. But here's my beautiful Z Fold 6. Look at that color. But let's see. Let's take off all this adhesive stuff. Try this bad boy on. Okay, so it fits nice and snug. I don't need Bigsby. Nice and snug. Does have a adhesive strip on this side, so it won't just go flapping around. Bam, there you go. You get lip protection like you normally do all the way around. You can easily get to your edge panel. The vine rockers are covered. And they're easy to press, not bad at all. The fingerprint scanner is not. I mean, apparently it shouldn't be. And it's easy to press too. They have a little cutout here and a little cutout there, so it's easy to press. You get camera protection a little bit down there. And then everything lines up at the bottom. Everything lines up at the top. When you open it up, you don't have anything blocking your display here. Let's see, holding this strap. I mean, I can get like a good 3 fingers around there, so does it even? No, I thought it had Velcro, but. So, the strap works out. I mean, even like this. I mean, if you want to just put 2. Then, you also have the kickstand there. Let's see, let's try the kickstand out. So, you can do it like that. It's a little wobbly. I wouldn't really trust it. But when you do it like that, you can definitely do so, or even like this. So, multiple ways of using the kickstand. You get a little protection around the main thing there, and this thing is going to fit snug. Like, I can't, not pulling it off at all. The one problem I'm looking at right now is that you probably cannot wireless charge because there's no room with getting this in there. What y'all think about that? Let's see if it doesn't wobble. Look how it just sits weird on the table. It's like on an angle. But again, when I know someone said that too. I guess if you maybe using your pen and you're writing and you have it flat down, it shakes a little bit. But usually I don't have my phone just laying on the ground. And it doesn't really rock. I guess it does. But I don't usually have my phone just sitting there, so it's not a big deal. But I'm going to show it to y'all. If a rocky phone is your thing, You're not writing on this screen anyway, so I don't know what you're doing. And on this one, it's not really, it's rocky if you go way up here. But here's the problem. A lot of people love this thing called wireless charging. Not a big deal for me, but yeah, you're not wireless charging with this case on there. Oh, made a liar out of me. Made a liar out of me. Look at that. Will it charge though? Let's wait. Let's wait a minute or two. Is it still charging? I think it stops charging, y'all. Yeah, so it looks like it's charging, but it's really not. It is not charging the phone right now. It looks like it's going to charge it, but it really doesn't. It goes away. But again, if wireless charging is your... If you love to wireless charge your phone, then you may not want this case. If you don't mind, if you don't need the wireless charging, if you don't really use it, then you have almost like two cases in one. You have a little grip here, and then you also have a kickstand. Again, one thing I forgot to mention, no hinge protection either. So if that's another deal breaker for you, then this case may not be for you. But if you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description. You can definitely pick it up. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold6. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at @FordsReviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.